What happened to your hot dog?
Yeah, I have them as long as my work gets done and
I didn't think you
She's gonna take that for next year.
What?
yeah, it's really nice.
And the kids are in school full time.
Whatever you like.
Oh yeah.
Tabby goes to
Preschool over at Christian Life Care Center,
yeah.
and then Isabel's just down the street at Hidden Creek.
So that's good. So when they come home, you are home already, right?
Most of the time, usually I get home around like 4.
Oh, so who picked them up?
Christian Life Care Center.
They picked them up to stay there until you go there to pick them up.
Or 2 days a week they're with their grandma.
Oh, that's good.
And then David's home on Tuesdays.
Work is on the place, on the work. Come on. Yeah, done.
That's your welcome. Come on, hang out. Absolutely.
Rice?
Survivor naked. Yeah.
Hi.
Okay.
That's the way how to listen to you guys.
Good napkin. We're good. It's all right. It didn't go on the ground and get it off your shirt. Rub it on your shirt. No harm. No harm done there. That's okay. These things happen. I think the sun was in my eyes. So no problem.
No, I don't want it. I'll be back 3 months.
Okay.
What am
Can
I
I
going
get
to
one
go to this
burger for me, for Max? Oh, that's not done?
All right, burger.
Please. Cheese or
Sure.
no cheese?
Okay, kind of well done, medium rare.
Ben fired me from the grill. Did you see you came in? They fired me. Did you notice that?
This one is kind of medium.
He said, "Get out of the way." Appreciate it.
All right. So, burger.
Double cheese.
Triple, they need to grow.
Hey, that's me right there, bro.
Is it?
Yeah, man.
You what? You doing a spin on this one?
Hello.
No, did you spit up? Oh my gosh, man. We'll take it back.
Have you ever seen
Games.
the Man vs. Wild Bear Grylls?
Getting ready.
Where he goes out to the wilderness and for like
Horseshoe.
they have like supposed to be like survival or whatever, but he's eating
Isabella, Tabby. Playing it.
one show he ate a skunk. It was hilarious.
Sausages are half price.
I saw they are free.
Huh?
And they're free.
Nobody's eating stuff.
Because we finished them.
I need
Finishing it, you guys. Anything to say for this year?
I'm just going to put it
Hey, Maxie, Casey, one more time. One more time. We're gonna miss you, Maxie. Who put you in the sun?
Hi, Sherry. Oh, Cassie.